Here's how to unblock contacts on your iPhone. Now, the first step is you can head into the phone app here. Within the phone app, we can find your contacts at the bottom center. Just tap on that. Now, anybody that you have blocked, if they are in your contacts list, they'll have that little circle with the red line through it. You can unblock them directly on here, or if they're not in your contacts list, I'll show you how to find the entire block list as well. So you can see here, Trevor Android has the little circle with the red line. If you want to, you can also just search for that contact here. Oh, let me just search for that contact, and then they'll pop up. Now, to unblock them from here, you can just tap on their name, and there you'll be able to see is blocked. All you need to do is scroll down, and you can hit unblock contact. By doing so, they'll be able to send you messages, etc. However, let's block this contact, and let's say they're not in here. They're not in your contacts list. It's just a random number. You can always go to the block list by just heading to your settings. So open up the settings app on your phone, and we'll scroll to the bottom and tap on apps, and then scroll down until you find the phone option. So keep scrolling down until you find the P section for phone. And now from here, you'll be able to see the block list. If you scroll down, you can see towards the bottom, blocked contacts. I can tap on that. There is Trevor Android that is blocked. Again, I can just swipe to the left and hit unblock. Or in the iOS 26, you can see unknown. This will basically have unknown phone numbers and email addresses. You can see an email here, but if it's a phone number, you can do the exact same thing. Just swipe to the left and tap the unblock button. If you wanted to do this in bulk, just tap on the edit and you can go through and bulk unblock numbers.